his friends for years and years and years. I've been friends with him for shorter, but and I want to give him the benefit of the doubt because he's young, stuff like this, and obviously I know what it's like to have a lot of fame at this age. But what would you do if you were me?
I would give him advice. I mean, I would always try to give him good advice
I just
because,
tried to, and he muted
again,
it. He turned, even when you were speaking, he literally turned off the volume.
so that's the thing. You've done your best. You gave him advice. To tell him you're always there for him. This is not something new. You've seen it before. You've been there. You've seen people get this little burst of fame, and they're just buzzing, and then something will happen. I remember my kids used to talk about PewDiePie being this famous guy, and now nobody talks about him, right? So what happens is you get these little bursts of fame, and then it goes away, and then that happiness goes away, and he'll need you someday. He'll need that advice. So just tell him you're there for him. That's a good friend, inshallah. And then maybe leave him alone for a little while. Let him get it out of his system. So the thing is, sometimes the worldly life kind of catches up with you. You just think, I just want to party. I want to, but anybody who's watching, and a lot of times when they get drunk, what happens the next morning? They got a hangover. When they do stupid stuff, yeah, for a while it just seems fun, but then life hits you and reality hits you, right? So
I realize that now I have no interest to go partying or drinking, or I don't even have interest to listen to music after Mecca. That was it really revitalized and
mashallah.
it helped me focus on what I'm supposed to be doing. And a lot of those distractions that we use to fill up and make ourselves feel happy, it doesn't work anymore because I have a different sense of guidance and a different sense of purpose than before. I really know
That's
what I'm
amazing.
supposed to be doing.